Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can mount a computer monitor to the wall with the mount rack. Okay, as you can see on the table now, there is a monitor and the mount rack on here, and here is the accessory that you can connect your monitor and mount it to the plate. Okay, and before you can connect your monitor to that plate, you need to check on your monitor. On the back side there are 4 screws here, so if your monitor don't have that 4 screw hole that allow you to connect with the connector, that means you cannot mount your monitor to the wall. Okay, now each side of the mount you can find out. You need to install it to become like this, so connect it one by one, and after that you can now adjust the angle, and this one is the lock key that you can lock the angle of the monitor rotation. So this one for the right side, this one for the left side. So you need to install the adjustable here to output that you can access from the left, and this one access from the right. Okay, after that you can connect to your plate in this position. Okay, so now let's just install it to the monitor. Okay, so now you need to put the rubber in every connection port. So this rubber will stop the plate to damage your monitor. Okay, after that input this you need to check the lower port first, that allow you to move the connector with your monitor. Okay, okay, after that try to test your monitor connection is enough to hold your monitor or not, and after it's not moving, and now connect your monitor to the plate that already drilled to the wall. Just hang your monitor and carefully connect to the top of your monitor plate, and after that you need to screw this lock. Okay, this time you need to adjust the monitor angle depend on what you want. Okay, adjust the angle with the plate to the correct angle that you want, and after that just screw the two lock on your monitor side, and now you are ready to use your monitor on the wall. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can install your computer monitor to the wall. And now thank for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.